Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Word Journey, where we explore the English language through real conversations, culture, and everyday topics. Let me ask you a question. What does Christmas mean to you? For some people, it's a time to celebrate with family and friends. For others, it's about peace, giving, and kindness. And for many, it's a season filled with lights, music, gifts, and warmth. But one thing is for sure, no matter where you're in the world, Christmas is one of the most beautiful and widely celebrated times of the year. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about Christmas in English, what it means, how people celebrate it, and the useful vocabulary and expressions you can use to describe this wonderful holiday. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk confidently about Christmas traditions, use new vocabulary related to the holiday season, practice short, natural English conversations about Christmas. So grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's begin your word journey into the world of Christmas in English. Part 1. What is Christmas? Let's start with the basics. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th every year. It is originally a Christian holiday that celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ, but today it has also become a global cultural celebration. People around the world celebrate Christmas in many different ways, through family gatherings, decorating homes, exchanging gifts, singing carols, and sharing delicious meals. In many countries, Christmas is not only about religion. It's about spending time with loved ones, showing kindness, and spreading joy. You might hear people say, "Merry Christmas," "Happy Holidays," "Season's Greetings." These are all ways to wish someone happiness during the festive season. Part 2. Christmas vocabulary. Before we go deeper, let's learn some common English words you'll hear during Christmas time. Christmas tree, a decorated tree, often with lights, ornaments, and a star on top. Ornaments, decorations that hang on the tree. Presents/gifts, items you give to people to show love or appreciation. Stockings, long socks hung by the fireplace, often filled with small gifts or sweets. Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, he is a legendary man who brings gifts to children. Reindeer, animals that pull Santa's sleigh. Snowman, a figure made of snow, usually with a carrot nose and a hat. Christmas Eve, the night before Christmas Day, December 24th. Carols, traditional Christmas songs. Mistletoe, a plant used as decoration. People often kiss under it. Let's practice a few short sentences with this vocabulary. We decorated our Christmas tree last weekend. The children hung their stockings near the fireplace. I bought a special gift for my best friend. Santa Claus is coming to town. We sang Christmas carols at school. Part 3. Talking about Christmas traditions. Now that we know some words, let's talk about how people celebrate Christmas around the world. In most English-speaking countries, like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, families start preparing for Christmas weeks in advance. They decorate their houses with Christmas lights, a Christmas tree, wreaths and garlands, candles and ornaments. People often bake cookies, make hot chocolate, and spend cozy evenings watching Christmas movies. Children write letters to Santa Claus, telling him what they want for Christmas. On Christmas Eve, they go to bed early, hoping Santa will visit while they sleep. On Christmas morning, families gather around the tree to open gifts and share breakfast together. In the afternoon, they often enjoy a big meal, sometimes called Christmas dinner, with dishes like roast turkey, potatoes, vegetables, and desserts such as Christmas pudding or fruitcake. Part 4. Christmas Conversation Examples. Let's practice some natural English conversations about Christmas. We'll use two speakers, Historia and Alina. Conversation 1. Talking about Christmas plans. Historia. Hi, Alina. What are your plans for Christmas this year? Alina, I'm going to spend Christmas with my family. We'll have dinner together and exchange gifts. What about you? Historia. I'm visiting my grandparents. We always decorate the tree together and watch Christmas movies. Alina. That sounds lovely. I love Christmas movies too. Conversation 2. Talking about decorating for Christmas. Alina, have you decorated your house yet, Historia? Historia. Yes, we put up our Christmas tree last weekend. It looks beautiful with all the lights. Alina, did you add a star on top? Historia. Of course. It's our family tradition. We also hang stockings by the fireplace. Alina, I love that. We always decorate with red and gold ornaments. Conversation 3. Talking about gifts. Historia, have you finished your Christmas shopping? Alina, almost. I still need to buy something for my brother. What about you? Historia, I'm done. I bought books for my friends and a new scarf for my mom. Alina, that's so thoughtful. I'm sure they'll love it. Conversation 4. Talking about Christmas food. Alina, what do you usually eat on Christmas Day? Historia, we usually have roast chicken, mashed potatoes, and some desserts. What about your family? Alina, we always make cookies and drink hot chocolate. Sometimes we even bake a cake together. Historia, that sounds delicious. I can almost smell the cookies. Part 5. Describing your Christmas experience. When you talk about your Christmas experience, you can use the past tense to describe what you did or the future tense to describe what you plan to do. Let's look at some examples. Past tense. Last Christmas, I visited my cousins. We decorated the tree and watched a movie together. I cooked dinner for my family. We opened presents on Christmas morning. Future tense. This Christmas, I'm going to visit my parents. We'll probably have dinner together. I'm planning to buy gifts for my friends. I think it's going to snow this year. Example conversation. Historia. What did you do last Christmas? Alina, I stayed home with my family. We had dinner and played games. Historia. That sounds fun. What are you going to do this year? Alina, I'm planning to travel to my cousin's house. We'll celebrate together. Part 6. Common Christmas Expressions. Here are some useful English expressions you can use during Christmas time. Merry Christmas. The most common greeting. Happy Holidays. A general greeting for the festive season. Season's greetings. Another polite and formal way to wish someone well. Have a wonderful Christmas. I wish you joy and happiness this Christmas. May your days be merry and bright. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Let's spread love and kindness this Christmas. Example conversation. Historia. Merry Christmas, Alina. Alina, Merry Christmas, Historia. I hope you have a joyful day with your family. Historia. Thank you. I wish you happiness and peace this holiday season. Part 7. Talking about Christmas in different countries. Christmas traditions vary around the world. Let's look at a few examples. In the United States, people decorate their houses with bright lights, and children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts. Many families hang stockings by the fireplace and leave cookies and milk for Santa. In the United Kingdom, people enjoy Christmas crackers, roast dinners, and mince pies. On Christmas Day, the Queen or King delivers a special Christmas message on TV. In Australia, Christmas happens in summer. People often have barbecues, go to the beach, and celebrate outdoors. In Germany, Christmas markets are very popular, filled with handmade gifts, lights, and food. People also celebrate Advent, the 4 weeks before Christmas. In the Philippines, Christmas celebrations start as early as September and last until January. It's one of the longest Christmas seasons in the world. In Mexico, families celebrate with a tradition called Las Posadas, which reenacts the journey of Mary and Joseph before the birth of Jesus. These examples show that Christmas is celebrated differently, but the message is the same: love, togetherness, and joy. Part 8. Talking about Christmas memories. Everyone has a special memory about Christmas. Let's look at some ways to share yours in English. Phrases to use. I remember when. My favorite Christmas memory is. One year we. I'll never forget the time when. Example conversation. Historia. What's your favorite Christmas memory, Alina? Alina, I remember one Christmas when it snowed all day. My family and I built a huge snowman. It was magical. Historia. That sounds amazing. I'll never forget the Christmas when my parents surprised me with a guitar. Alina. Wow, that must have been special. Part 9. Talking about New Year alongside Christmas. Many people also connect Christmas with the New Year celebrations that follow just a week later. You can say things like, I love the holiday season, Christmas and New Year. We usually stay up until midnight on New Year's Eve. I always make New Year's resolutions after Christmas. Example conversation. Historia. Do you usually celebrate New Year after Christmas? Alina. Yes, my family and I stay up to watch fireworks. Historia. Do you make any New Year's resolutions? Alina, I do. This year, I plan to learn a new language. Part 10. Talking about feelings during Christmas. Christmas is often an emotional and reflective time. People feel grateful, happy, and sometimes nostalgic. Here are some words to describe your feelings. Excited, joyful, grateful, peaceful, nostalgic, relaxed, content. Examples. I feel so grateful to spend time with my family. Christmas always makes me feel peaceful. I feel excited when I see the lights and decorations. Example conversation. Historia. How do you feel during Christmas time? Alina, I feel happy and thankful. I love spending time with my family. Historia. Me too. It's such a peaceful time of year. Part 11. Writing about Christmas. If you ever need to write about Christmas, Maybe for a class or a conversation online. Here's a simple paragraph you could use. Example paragraph. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I love the decorations, the lights, and the warm feeling of togetherness. My family and I usually decorate the Christmas tree, exchange gifts, and enjoy a big dinner together. On Christmas morning, we open presents and listen to Christmas music. I always feel so happy and grateful during this season. Part 12. Practical phrases to use. Here are some short phrases you can practice. What are your plans for Christmas? Did you decorate your tree yet? Have you finished your Christmas shopping? Are you traveling for the holidays? What did you get for Christmas? I'm spending Christmas at home. We're going to have a family dinner. I love the Christmas spirit. Part 13. Advanced expressions for talking about Christmas. If you want to sound more fluent, here are some expressions you can use. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm in the holiday spirit. We're counting down the days until Christmas. The streets are full of festive lights. I'm feeling the Christmas cheer. The atmosphere is so magical. Example conversation. Historia. The city looks so beautiful right now. Alina. Yes, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Historia. I love the lights and the music everywhere. Alina. Me too. I'm totally in the holiday spirit. Part 14. Reflecting on the true meaning of Christmas. Beyond the gifts and decorations, Christmas is also about reflection, thinking about kindness, generosity, and the people who matter most. You can say things like, Christmas reminds me to be thankful for what I have. It's a time to give, not just receive. The best gift is spending time with loved ones. Example conversation. Alina, I think Christmas is more about love and kindness than presents. Historia, I agree. Spending time with family is the best gift of all. Alina, exactly. It's a time to be thankful and share joy. Part 15. Review and practice. Let's quickly review everything we covered today. Christmas vocabulary: tree, gifts, stockings, carols, Santa Claus. Traditions: decorating, exchanging gifts, family meals. Useful phrases: Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's Greetings. Conversations: talking about plans, memories, feelings, and traditions. Grammar practice: using past and future tenses to describe celebrations. Now you have all the tools you need to talk confidently about Christmas in English. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson, talking about Christmas in English. Christmas is not just a day on the calendar, it's a feeling of warmth, love, and togetherness. It's a time to reflect, give thanks, and celebrate with the people who matter most. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you celebrate Christmas in your country? What's your favorite Christmas tradition? Write your answer in the comments below and practice your English while you do it. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Word Journey, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing on your word journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!